छे, रोज रोज का पावर कट, नॉनसेंस।
पावर कट्स जिंदगी की खुशियां न छीन ले।
सॉरी।
इसीलिए वी गार्ड इन्वर्टर्स और बैटरी, फुल टाइम पावर, नॉन स्टॉप खुशियां।
मेघालय के मुख्यमंत्री कॉनराड के संगमा 8 अक्टूबर को बाढ़ प्रभावित पश्चिमी और दक्षिणी गारो हिल्स जिलों में नुकसान का आकलन करने और राहत प्रयासों की जांच करने पहुंचे। सीएम का गारो हिल्स क्षेत्र का दौरा लगातार बारिश के कहर के बाद हुआ है, जिसमें 17 लोगों की जान चली गई। अपने दौरे के दौरान सीएम संगमा ने बाढ़ और भूस्खलन आपदाओं में मारे गए लोगों के परिवारों से मुलाकात की और संवेदना व्यक्त की। उन्होंने रोंगखोन सोंगगिटल में दिवंगत बिजॉय मारक की पत्नी को अनुग्रह राशि सौंपी, जो पेशे से शिक्षक थे, जिनकी कार बाढ़ के पानी में बह गई थी, जिसमें उनकी और उनके बेटे वियान चिगाडो आर मारक की जान चली गई थी। इसके अलावा संगमा ने भी अपनी संवेदना व्यक्त की और 8 लाख रुपए, प्रत्येक मृतक के लिए 4 लाख रुपए का चेक सौंपा। मेघालय के बाढ़ प्रभावित गारो हिल्स में हाल ही में अचानक आई बाढ़ में 2 बच्चों की मौत के बाद मरने वालों की संख्या 17 हो गई है। उत्तरी गारो हिल्स के बेटे अपालबंगसी अपाल गांव के निवासी सिलारिन मारक 8 वर्षीय और तांगमे आर मारक 3 वर्षीय नामक 2 बच्चों की पानी से भरे गड्ढे में गिरने से मौत हो गई। Lives after accidentally falling into a pit filled with water.
Today, along with the local MLAs and officials, including our deputy commissioners and BDOs and other officials, we have visited West Garo Hills and South Garo Hills, and there's a lot of devastation that has taken place. We tried to cover most of the areas, but today mostly we covered the families and met the family members of those individuals who lost their lives, and gave our support to them in whatever way possible, including financial assistance that we could give from our side. It is a great loss for them, and we cannot make up for the loss. But as a government, we have done whatever little we could do, and to support them in these difficult times. At the same time, we reviewed the overall situation in terms of the relief work that is going on, and in the process we have seen that most of the general relief has been given. The houses that have been damaged, we have assessed them, and we should be able to give them relief and financial support very soon. At the same time, the power connectivity also has been restored in most of the villages. The road connectivity also to a large extent has been restored. So we are slowly and steadily seeing that normalcy is returning, but of course a lot of damage has been done, and it will take some time for us to completely bring everything back to normal. But we are here to show our support for the different families who are affected by this flood, which is quite unprecedented in nature. I was speaking to the elders here and even to our MLAs, and they were sharing that they have not seen this kind of rain and flood in decades in this region. So I will continue my tour tomorrow also. I plan to visit some parts of Chokpot area and other parts of South Garo Hills to see and to ensure that people are getting enough support during these difficult times.